Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change profile picture in Zoom Workplace. To change your profile picture in Zoom, first of all, open up the Zoom application on your device and then tap on the More button at the bottom right corner. Once you tap on More, go ahead and click on your profile picture on the top left. Now click the profile photo option and then in the pop-up at the bottom, choose whether you'd like to take a picture from your device's camera by choosing camera, or you can also select a photo from your device's camera roll. To do so, tap on select from photo album and choose a new photo that you'd like to update as your profile picture. Now adjust the profile picture and click on done at the top right. Wait for a few seconds and there you have successfully changed your profile picture in Zoom Workplace app. And just like that, your profile picture is updated. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.